Okay. All rise. This court is now in session. The Honorable Judge Carr shall be presiding today. Thank you. This case is, let me read the, so we have two kids from a school. What did you say the name was? Bailiff, what did you say the name of the school was again? You said it was Highland Park High School. And where's it at? Oh, Kansas City. Okay. Wait, which one? Because there's two. Kansas City, Kansas. Okay. So, you two are disputing which brand of shoes is superior to the other. So, you're saying Nikes is, what are your names? So, we'll start it off. What are your names? Okay. What'd you say? Nick Jackson. Okay. What's your name? Antonio Smith. Okay. Mr. Jackson and Mr. Smith. We're going to start with you, Mr. Jackson. Why do you say that you're wearing Nike right now? Have you always worn Nike shoes? Okay. So you basically been wearing Nike shoes since you were a baby. So what do you think Nike shoes are better? Okay, they fit. I don't know about that. They're just better than Adidas. And what else? What else you said? They actually have shoelaces. Okay, that's weird. Okay, now Mr. Smith, why do you think that Adidas are better than Nike? They don't crease. Just three things. Just list three things. They don't crease. You can just slip them on. Yeah, they're like house shoes. And they come in all sort of colors that Nike doesn't come in. Damn! You just roasted Nike. Okay. So, but this case is about what I think is, so, y'all messed up both each other's shoes. So you messed up, Mr. Smith, you messed up his Nike shoes, and Mr. Jackson, you messed up his Adidas. So, run, one of y'all run that back on me. Okay, so y'all were just, please tell me the Nike shoes you were wearing were not new to first started off. Okay, they weren't new. They were like about a year and a half old. Okay, so you were just like, those are play shoes now, right? Okay. Black folks. Yeah, the black folk understand. We call the shoes, old shoes that you want to keep. I'm breaking the fourth wall. I don't care. We call those play shoes. You can play to those. Okay. Mr. Jackson. So, y'all were just playing. And you're mad because he got dirt on your shoes accidentally? What? What kind of reason is that for you to take some freaking... Explain this to me. Explain this to me. Mr. Jackson, what is the process? What did you think? Why would you spray paint his shoes? Well, you didn't even spray paint his shoes. Hold on, Mr. I don't even know what you did. Let me ask Mr. Smith, what did he do to your shoes? He put green beans and sardines in your shoe? Oh. He put sardines and green beans in your shoe. Do you know how nasty you are? Do you know how nasty you are? Why would you do that? What did you do to his shoes? You just put them suckers in a mud puddle. I mean, they were already dirty. Okay. Yeah. Did you clean your shoes off? Did you clean your shoes out though? Yeah, you got. Okay, yeah, you gotta. See, he put it in the inside of your shoe. Well, I don't know why you did that. Bailiff Johnson, you want to know why I'm wearing a do-rag? Shut up. Okay. Anyways, so it's not just the Nikes and Adidas. Y'all are suing each other. You said he. So let me try to find the paperwork. We're going to go into deliberation.
Court is back in session. I'm sorry about the camera. Court is back in session.
This dang camera is not going to stay unless I lean it back a little bit. Okay, so I got the paperwork now. I have the paperwork. This paperwork is saying that back in 2022, you're how old now? You two are how old now? Okay, you're like 17. Dang, y'all seniors. Okay. If that was back in 2022, y'all would have been like 14. So back in 2022, after the little incident with the shoes, Mr. Jackson, on the record, is saying that you went over to a house, knocked on this. Y'all next door neighbors, right? Y'all grew up with each other. Y'all were friends, and now y'all enemies. Y'all frenemies, okay? So, Mr. Jackson, you went over to his house. You went over to his house, and you decided to have the audacity. Why would you bring a hammer and just smash it? He was playing on his PlayStation 4. Why would you go over there and smash his game? You were mad because of some play shoes? You were mad because of some Nike shoes you had for a year and a half prior to that. You had them shoes since probably the beginning of 2020. You've had them shoes since before COVID started, and you're mad because of those? What was your reaction? Okay, you whipped his behind. You tore him up, okay? What, oh, did he, oh, you're lying now. You're saying that he did nothing. Bailiff, can you, click the little TV? Let me see this. Dang, he did tear your game up, okay? Dang, Mr. Smith just started going Randy Orton on you. Ooh, this man hit you with a power slam. So, you got hit with a Randy Orton power slam by this dude. And by the way, Mr. Smith, I see your muscles. That is something this dude would never have. Okay. You ain't hear me say nothing. And also, get that attitude out your mouth. Mr. Smith, do you have any key witnesses? A brother, his name is Keyshawn Smith. Okay, bring Keyshawn up to the witness stand. Okay. I know your name is Keyshawn Smith, but can you state it for everybody in the jury and the audience? Okay, so recall what happened back in 2022. What day was this? I don't have a pen, but I'll remember it. You said it was on September the 25th, right? All right. Explain to me what happened. You were in the kitchen making you some ramen noodles. Okay. You were in the room. You heard a knock on the door, and then what happened? Okay, so it was him. and you didn't see the hammer. Was he, what was he, did he hide it or something? Okay, so what you're saying is what was he hiding the hammer in? A bag? What was it, like one of the Walmart bags, or yeah, it was a Walmart bag. Okay, so I'm looking at the case. He was hiding it. It doesn't say anything about a Walmart bag, but you're the witness, so yeah. You just smashed your game open, and then anything else happened prior to that? His mother came over there with a belt? A belt? Oh, he came over to Mr. Smith. So you're saying that Mr. Jackson's mother came over with a belt. Do you know what the belt? Okay. Everyone, I'm breaking the fourth wall again. I know this is not a question you would usually ask in court, but this is my court, my rules. Okay. Mr. Smith, do you know what kind of belt it was? Was it all leather? Okay, you say it was a gold belt, all leather. Ooh, how many times did Mr. Jackson get hit? 25 times. This man probably had whelps all over his. Where did you see him get hit at? Alright, in the arm and behind. So you're saying in the arm and behind. Okay, so for the PlayStation 5, for the PlayStation 4, how much are you? I know you're not the plaintiff, but you're suing him for that. How much are you suing? So yeah, you got it from a cousin. He said it cost like $550. Okay, so I don't have a pen. I can't write that down per se, but I will remember it. Okay. But the fact that he decided to destroy the PlayStation 4, I mean, I could buy you another one, but can't say I have the money. Mr. Jackson, did you destroy it on purpose, or was it an accident? Oh, you destroyed it on purpose. You realize there is a law for destroying private personal property. I mean, I don't know if that's like an official law, but it was his. It may not have been his, but was it yours? Did you get like a deed for it or something? Okay, yeah, your mother got a deed. Okay, so you destroyed it. It was his personal property. It was his private property. You decided to destroy it. You decided to destroy personal property. Do you know you could get sent to jail for that? For at least, probably about a year. But do you know you could go to jail for that? Okay, so he destroyed the game. You decided to personally beat the ever living crap out of him. So did you like beat him before his mother came over with the belt, or okay? So you just decided. So you beat him before his mother came over. Did you call his mother? No, your mother called his mother. Okay, and then you beat him. Like, you beat him up. You tore his tail up. And then his mother just decided to add insult to injury. Was it actual injury? Did you like break any bones? You can't say you broke any bones, but did you leave any bruises? That's what I want to know. Okay, you left some bruises. On his shoulders, forehead, goodness gracious, I can tell you he would have been looking like Megabyte. Okay. And also, so I'm gonna agree with you. That PlayStation 4 is something special. If it gets destroyed, you gotta like earn money and earn money and earn money to get that back. But, Mr. Jackson, honestly, what I can say for you is you're going to have to go to jail for destroying private property. And on top of that, you're going to have to pay him the $550. Let me look at the case again. Yeah, that game cost us $550. Additional change or no? It was just the $550. Okay, so you're gonna, after you serve 1 year of jail time, you're going to need to pay this man his $550 because he needs his money. And on top of that, you're gonna need to give him another PlayStation 4. That was just disrespectful. You didn't destroy. Were those new shoes that he destroyed of yours? No? Okay. But seriously. Besides the PlayStation dispute, on the Nike versus Adidas dispute, Adidas are better. You were right. Mr. Smith, you were right. You said that Adidas do not crease. They don't. Heck, I got some Adidas right here. They don't crease. But on top of that, you're going to need to pay $550 for the PlayStation, and you're also going to need to get him another PlayStation. That is my ruling in this court, and this matter is adjourned.
All rise. All parties are dismissed.